Hello, I'm Teacher Zhu. I'm going to share with you the solution of the question from textbook, page 91, Formative Exercise 3.2. Okay, all these questions involving indefinite integrals. Okay, so question number 1A here. Okay, integrate 1 over 2 dx. Okay, integrate number become 1 over 2x plus c. Okay, then B, integrate 5 over 3x cubed dx. Okay, for this question, you have to move up x cube first. So become 5 over 3 x power of negative 3 dx. Okay, so here we start integrate. The power will increase by 1. So 5 over 3 x power of negative 2 over negative 2 plus c. Then finally we simplify. Okay, we get negative 5 over 6x squared plus c. Okay, so question C. Integrate 1 over square root x dx. Okay, square root x is power of half. And then we move up. Okay, become x power of negative 1 over 2 dx. Okay, so negative 1 over 2 plus 1 is we get x power of 1 over 2 over 1 over 2. Okay, plus c. So this one would be 2x power of half plus c, or 2 square root x plus c. Okay, question D. Integrate 2 over x cubed minus 3 over x power of 4 dx. Okay, for this question, we move up first, become 2x power of negative 3 minus 3x power of negative 4 dx. Okay, so then we start integrate. So 2x power of negative 2 over negative 2 minus 3x power of negative 3 over negative 3. Don't forget plus c. Okay, this one we can simplify, become negative 1 over x squared plus 1 over x cubed plus c. Then we move to question number 2. 2a, integrate each of the following with respect to x. So integrate 5x squared minus 3x cubed over x dx. Okay, we simplify first. So here we have 5x squared over x minus 3x cubed over x dx. Okay, now we have 5x minus 3x squared. Then we integrate. We get here 5x squared over 2 minus 3x cubed over 3 plus c. And we simplify 5 over 2x squared minus x cubed plus c. Question B, 2b. Integrate 6x cubed plus 2x squared over 2x squared. Okay, we separate first. Now we have 6x cubed over 2x squared plus 2x squared over 2x squared dx. Okay, this one is 3. Okay, so this one 3x plus 1. Okay, dx. Then we integrate. So 3x squared over 2 plus x plus c. Number 2c. Integrate 5 minus 6x cubed dx. So this is composite function. So we integrate 5 minus 6x power of 3 plus 1, 4 over 4. Then we differentiate function in the bracket, which is negative 6 plus c. So finally, the answer is negative 5 minus 6x power of 4 over 24 plus c. The last one for question number 2. Here we find integration for 1 over root 4 5 minus 2x. Okay, so integrate with respect to x. So we simplify first, become 1 over 5 minus 2x power of 1 over 4. Okay, then we move up, become 5 minus 2x power of negative 1 over 4 dx. Then we start to integrate. Okay, 5 minus 2x power of, okay, negative 1 over 4 plus 1 is 3 over 4. So power of 3 over 4 over 3 over 4. Okay, don't forget to times, differentiate function in the bracket. So which is negative 2. Okay, plus c. So this one we simplify. We get here negative 2 over 3 5 minus 2x power of 3 over 4, or plus c. Okay, or maybe you can express like this, negative 2 over 3 5 minus 2x power root 4. Okay, so power of 3. This one power of 3 plus c. Okay, let's do question number 3. It is given that dy dx equals to 10x plus p over x squared, where p is a constant. If dy dx equals to 21 over 2 and y equals to 19 when x equals to 2, find the value of p. Okay, first of all, you have to find the value of p. So what you need to do is, maybe you can see here, given dy dx, sorry, this one is dy dx. This one dy dx as well. Okay, so meaning that these two are same. Okay, these two are same. Okay, so dy dx equals to 10x plus p over x squared. Okay, so this thing equals to 21 over 2 when y equals 19 and x equals to 2. So then we can substitute x equals to 2 into here, plus p over 2 squared, and the value of dy dx is 21 over 2. Okay, so p over 4 equals to 21 over 2 minus 20, which is equals to half. So p over 4 equals to 1 over 2. So p equals to 2. Okay, so subsequently find the value of y when x equals to negative 2. Okay, before you find the value of y, so you need to find y first, meaning that you have to find the equation of curve. Okay, so so now we substitute the value of p that we get here into dy dx. Okay, so therefore dy dx equals to 10x plus p over x squared. Okay, so you need to find y, equation of curve first. Okay, so we know that to find y from dy dx, you need to integrate both sides. Okay, so therefore dy dx equals to 10x plus, just now p is 2. Okay, sorry, p is 2. So this one 2x power of negative 2. Okay, so we have to integrate both sides with respect to x. Okay, integrate the left side, integrate dy dx is y. So integrate this one, become 10x squared over 2 plus 2x power of negative 1 over negative 1. Okay, plus c. Then we, simplify, become y equals to 5x squared minus 2 over x plus c. Okay, so we need to find the value of c first. Now, given the information previously, this one, y19, x2. So, we substitute y19 when x equals to 2. 2 squared minus 2 over 2 plus c. Okay, so c equals to 19 minus 20 plus 1. Okay, so c equals to 0. 0, right? Okay, so c is 0. So therefore, the equation is y equals to 5x squared minus 2 over x. Okay, but then finally, you have to, the question asks you to, right here, okay, find the value of y when x equals to negative 2. Okay, so then you have to find the value of y when x equals to negative 2. We substitute. Okay, so y equals to 5 times negative 2 squared minus 2 over negative 2. Okay, so this one equals to 20 plus 1, 21. Let's do number 4. 4a here. Given dy dx equals to 4x cubed minus 15x squared plus 6 and y equals to negative 20 when x equals to 3. Find the value of y when x equals to negative 2. Okay, before you find the value of y, we need to find y first, meaning that you have to find the equation of the curve, which is y. Okay, so now we have dy dx equals to 4x cubed minus 15x squared plus 6. Okay, we know that to find y from dy dx, we have to integrate both sides. Okay, so integrate both sides with respect to x. Integrate dy dx is y. So here 4x power of 4 over 4 minus 15x cubed over 3 plus 6x plus c. Okay, simplify. Y is x power of 4 minus 5x cubed plus 6x plus c. Okay, so to find c, we need to use the information given from the question. Y is negative 20 and x is 3. Power of 4 minus 5, 3 power of 3 plus 6 times 3 plus c. Okay, and we get here c equals to 16. Okay, so therefore equation of curve is x power of 4 minus 5x cubed plus 6x plus 16. Okay, so then you need to find the value of y when x equals to negative 2. So you just substitute. Okay, y equals to x negative 2. Okay, so negative 2 power of 4 minus 5 negative 2 cube plus 6 negative 2 plus 16. Okay, this one is 60. Okay, number 4b, given dy dx equals to 2x plus 2 and y equals to 2 when x equals to 2. Find the values of x when y equals to negative 6. Okay, so now this question quite different compared to 4a. Okay, so in this situation, you need to find the values of x. Okay, but then you need to find that equation first, okay, which is y. So start from dy dx. Okay, dy dx equals to 2x plus 2. Integrate both sides. Okay, so this one y 2x squared over 2 plus 2x. Okay, plus c. So then y equals to x squared plus 2x plus c. Then we substitute. Y is 2, x is 2. 2 is 2, 2 plus 2, 2. So c equals to 2 minus 8. So negative 6. Okay, so therefore y equals to x squared plus 2x minus 6. Okay, so in this situation, you need to find the values of x when y equals to -6. Okay, so then we substitute -6 equals to x squared plus 2x minus 6. So x squared plus 2x is 0. So this is quadratic. You just factorize. Equals to 0. Then we get x equal to 0 and x equals to -2. Okay, question number 5. The diagram on the right shows a curve that passes through point A, 1, -1. Given the gradient function of the curve is dy dx equals to 3x squared minus 8x. Okay, so find the equation of the curve. Okay, equation of curve is y. Okay, so then same to you just integrate both side with respect to x. Okay, so y is 3x cubed over 3 minus 8x squared over 2 plus c. Okay, this one 4. So y is x cubed minus 4x squared plus c. Okay, from the diagram, you can see point A passes through the curve, meaning that point satisfy the curve. Then you can substitute the point into the equation. Okay, so y is -1, x is 1 cubed minus 4 1 squared. Okay, so here c is 1 minus 1 plus 4. c is 2. Okay, so y equals to x cubed minus 4x squared plus 2. Okay, question number 6. It is given that the gradient of normal to the curve at one point is 1 over 6x minus 2. So gradient of normal is 1 over 6x minus 2. Okay, if the curve passes through point 2, find the equation of the curve. Okay, equation of the curve. Equation of the curve is y. Okay, then we know that to find y, we need dy dx. Okay, because integrate dy dx, we can get y. And you know that dy dx is gradient of tangent. Okay, and we have a relation between gradient of tangent and gradient of normal. Okay, we have gradient of tangent times gradient of normal is -1 because these two straight line are perpendicular. Okay, so then we substitute gradient of normal is 1 over 6x minus 2. So then we can find gradient of tangent is -6x plus 2. Okay, gradient of tangent is dy dx. Okay, so dy dx equals to -6x plus 2. And to find equation of curve, just now you need to integrate. Okay, both side. Okay, so here is y, so -6x squared over 2 plus 2x plus c. Okay, so y equals to -3x squared plus 2x plus c. Okay, given from the question, curve passes through point 22. Okay, this curve passes through point 22. So to find c, you substitute the coordinate of x and y. So 2 equals to -3, 2 squared plus 2 times 2 plus c. Okay, so c equals to 2 plus 12 minus 4. So c equals to 10. Okay, c equals to 10. Okay, so therefore equation of curve is y equals to -3x squared plus 2x plus 10. Now we move to question number 7. It is given that the gradient function of a curve is ax plus b. Okay, so gradient function dy dx equals to ax plus b. The gradient of the curve at -2, 8 is -7, and the gradient of the curve at 0, 6 is 5. Okay, so gradient dy dx. So now given 2 points. The first point -2, 8. Okay, so dy dx is we substitute x. Okay, so -2a. okay, plus b equals to 7, negative 7. Okay, so here we have first equation. So the second one, given the point of 0, 6. Okay, so 0, 6, then dy dx is 5. Okay, then we substitute x0. So 0a. So we get a times 0. Okay, plus b equals to 5. So therefore b equals to 5. Then we substitute into the equation. Here b is 5. So negative 2a plus 5 equals to negative 7. So a equals to negative 7 minus 5. Negative 12 over negative 2, which is 6. Okay, so now we have the values of a and b. Okay, then find the equation of the curve. Okay, so we substitute a and b into dy dx. So a is 6. Okay, x plus 5. Okay, so to find equation of curve y, we integrate both sides. So dx integrate this one dx. Okay, this one y. So 6x squared over 2 plus 5x plus c. Okay, so y equals to 3x squared plus 5x plus c. Okay, to find the value of c, so now we have 2 points here. Okay, you can choose any point to find the value of c. So easier if you choose x, this one, 0, 6, x equal to 0 and y equals to 6 into y. So 6 equals to 3 0 squared plus 5 0 plus c. So c equals to 6. So therefore equation of curve is y equals to 3x squared plus 5x plus 6. The last question for this formative exercise. Okay, question number 8. The diagram on the right shows a car being driven on a straight road. It is given that the rate of change of the displacement function of the car is ds dt. Okay, ds dt equals to 10t minus 2. Okay, and S8 when t equals to 1. Okay, find the displacement in meter when t equals to 3. Okay, to find the displacement when t equals to negative 3, you have to find S first. Okay, previously we know that if we have dy dx, okay, we integrate with respect to x, we get y. Okay, so then in this situation, to get S, we need to integrate both sides with respect to t. Okay, so integrate ds dt with respect to t equals to both sides. Okay, 10t minus 2 integrate with respect to t. So therefore, we get S here, 10t squared over 2 minus 2t plus c. Okay, so S is 5t squared minus 2t plus c. Okay, the first information given S8 T1. So we substitute S8 T1 to find C. So 8 equals to 5 1 squared minus 2 1 plus C. Okay, so C equals to 8 minus 5 plus 2. So C equals to 5. Okay. So therefore, S equals to 5t squared minus 2t plus 5. Okay, you have to find the displacement when t equals to 3. Okay, the next information given t3, find S, meaning that find displacement. Okay, so 3 squared minus 2 times 3 plus 5. Okay, this one is 45 minus 6 plus 5 equals to 44.